In today's video, I'm going to teach you make coloring pages using Canva, also called making coloring sheets. We'll start right from a blank canvas so you can design pages that print cleanly and look professional. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Instead of choosing a preset, select Custom Size to control the exact page dimensions. Set it to 8.5 by 11 inches for standard US letter printing, or choose a 4 if that's the paper you use. Getting the size right at the start prevents unexpected margins or scaling when you hit print later. With your page ready, it's time to find the right artwork. Go to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, try phrases like object outline, coloring page, line art, or black and white. Then filter the results to graphics so you are browsing simple illustrations rather than photos. If you already have an object in mind, include it in the search, like butterfly outline or space line art, to narrow the results quickly. Prioritize graphics with thick, consistent black lines and minimal or no shading. Those bold outlines make coloring easier. Reproduce crisply on home printers and give your page a cohesive, hand-drawn feel. Next, create a custom scene by combining multiple elements. Drag in characters, objects, and simple backgrounds, and arrange them into a fun layout. Use the Position tool to layer items forward and backward, so each piece sits neatly in the scene. If lines overlap in a messy way, place basic white shapes filled white. No outline over the extra strokes to clean up intersections. Take a moment to balance the composition, leaving enough open areas for coloring and avoiding tiny details that could disappear once printed. Keep important parts a little away from page edges to avoid clipping on printers with non-borderless settings. Add a title or a short prompt to guide the theme. Click the Text tab to insert your heading, pick a clear, playful font and open Effects. Choose Outline so the letters become hollow and colorable. Adjust the outline thickness until it looks bold but still leaves room to color inside. Make sure every stroke on the page is black, and that the background is pure white for the best contrast and clean prints. When everything looks right, export your design. Click Share. Then download and select PDF print as the file type. This format preserves sharp vector lines and prepares the page for high-quality printing at home or at a print shop. Choosing PDF print keeps the page at the correct dimensions and makes it straightforward to share or archive. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.